How to make a shirt in Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Click on Create at the top. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, on left side, you'll find Creations. Click on Creations. After you've clicked on Creations, click on Avatar Items, which is beside Share Link. In here, you'll find Clothing option. Simply click on Clothing. After that, click on Learn More. After you've clicked on Learn More, you'll find something like this. And you'll find picture of shirts and pants. After this, you can simply save the picture. After you've saved picture, go to Google Chrome and search Photo-P. Open the website and then press on Open from computer and select the picture.